To troubleshoot Apple Pay on Apple Watch, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest software installed on both your iPhone and Apple Watch. First, check if Apple Pay is set up correctly on your iPhone by going to the Wallet app and verifying that your credit or debit card is added. If not, add your card by following the on-screen instructions. Next, on your Apple Watch, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and go to the My Watch tab, then tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Check if the card you added on your iPhone is available on your Apple Watch. If not, tap Add Card and follow the instructions. If Apple Pay is not working on your Apple Watch, try restarting both devices. Press and hold the side button on your Apple Watch until the power off slider appears and then slide it to the right. On your iPhone, press and hold the sleep wake button until the slide to power off slider appears and then slide it to the right. Wait a few seconds and then turn both devices back on. Try using Apple Pay again on your Apple Watch by double-clicking the side button and selecting your card. If the issue persists, check if there are any restrictions on your Apple Watch by going to the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tapping on General, then Restrictions. Make sure that Apple Pay is allowed. Also, ensure that your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone via Bluetooth. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and go to the My Watch tab, then tap on your Apple Watch at the top and check if it is connected. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may want to try removing and re-adding your card to the Wallet app on your iPhone and then re-adding it to your Apple Watch. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any issues with Apple Pay on your Apple Watch. Remember to always keep your devices and software up to date to ensure that Apple Pay works smoothly and securely.